In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a digital download product using GoHighLevel. This step-by-step guide will help you set up everything you need to start selling your digital goods seamlessly. Whether it's an ebook, a course, or any other type of digital download, we'll cover all the essential steps from file upload to payment processing and product delivery. Let's dive in and get started. To begin, you need to upload your digital file to GoHighLevel. You have the option to use the media storage feature provided by the platform. First, open GoHighLevel and navigate to the Sites section. Once you're there, find and open the media storage. You can now upload your digital file, whether it's a PDF, zip, DOSX, MP4, PNG, or any other format you have. After successfully uploading your file, make sure to copy the URL of your file. This URL is crucial as it will be needed later for delivering the product to your customers. Next, before you can start selling, it's essential to connect your payment gateway. To do this, head over to the Settings menu in GoHighLevel, and then click on Integrations. Here, you'll find options to connect to either Stripe or PayPal, two of the most widely used payment gateways. Making this connection ensures that your transactions will be secure and efficient, allowing you to accept payments from your customers seamlessly. Now let's move on to creating your product. Navigate to the Payments section within GoHighLevel and click on Products. From here, you'll want to select the option to create a new product. This is where you'll add details such as your product name, a brief description, and the price. You also have the choice to specify whether the payment is a one-time charge or a recurring payment plan. For example, if you're selling an Instagram template pack, you could price it at Rs$9.99 for a one-time payment. Once you're satisfied with the details, save your product settings. The next step is to create a checkout funnel, which will guide your customers through the purchasing process. Go to the Sites section and click on Funnels. You'll want to create a new funnel and add 3 critical components: a sales page, a checkout page, and a thank you page. Each part of this funnel plays an essential role in optimizing the customer's buying experience. Once you have your funnel structure in place, it's time to add the order form. Open the editor for your checkout page and simply drag in the order form element. Here you'll select the digital product that you've just created. You also have the option to enable additional features such as coupon codes or an order bump, which can enhance the purchasing experience. Don't forget to save and publish your changes. Finally, you'll need to ensure that customers receive their digital download after payment. The most straightforward method is to add a download button on the thank you page. Edit the thank you page and add a button where you can paste the file URL you copied earlier. You might want to use button text like download now or access your file to make it clear and enticing for your customers. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your digital product for sale using GoHighLevel. By following these steps, you're well on your way to turning your digital content into a profitable venture. Happy selling!